Hi everyone, I'm Fire Chief Layne Jackson with Regina Fire and Protective Services. This week is Fire Prevention Week, and I'm here to talk about a simple but important step in making sure your home is safe: smoke alarm testing. For starters, it's best to test each smoke alarm in your home once a month to make sure they are working. Just press and hold the test button till you hear the alarm sound. This ensures the battery and alarm are working properly. If it doesn't beep, it's time to replace the batteries or maybe the entire unit. A great tip is to set a reminder on your calendar for a monthly test. It's a small step that can save lives.